Yeah, hi Sarah. Welcome to 611, the Mantra. Okay, so here we go. Here's the main bedroom area, big king size bed. Okay, bedside lamps there. Back around this way, built-in robe and TV. And this that's a sliding cavity that can shut across there to close off the bedroom. Moving on through, have a glimpse of the view there. Bathroom, so toilets, washer, dryer, vanity, shower over the spa bath. Coming on around, here's a bit of a glimpse of the living space, and here is the kitchen. Okay, so lots of covered space, fridge. That's the shower there. Obviously, it has a shower curtain, and it looks straight out to the ocean. So yeah, so lots of covered space there. This is a bit of an owner's lock-up, that cupboard. Ducted air conditioning right throughout. Comes fully furnished as you see it, and unfortunately we haven't got a very pleasant day today, but look at that, boom, what an amazing north facing ocean view. So that's off the balcony. So about looking out that way, about there is where Noosa is, and back here is the other end of the balcony. And as long as I don't drop my phone, down there is the swimming pool. So we're on the 6th floor here. Lots of barbecue areas there. That's the Mantra sort of grassed area on top of the shopping centre, straight across the road onto the sandy beach. Back around, and there we are. Hope that's a good sort of insight into the apartment, Sarah.